In this video, we're going to see how to make and sell NFTs. Make sure that you are subscribed to the YouTube channel, you are following us, click the bell icon, like this video, and let's move on. Okay, also don't forget to share this video. Yes, before we dive into making and sell our NFTs, it's important to know what is that NFT. In simple dummy words, I'm going to say that NFT is a word that's being viral in the internet in these last days. But in real world, that means or stands for non-fungible token. What is that in terms of meaning? Non-fungible is something that is unique and cannot be replaced with anything else. That's it. I'm going to give you an example of what is fungible and what is non-fungible. In the left side, I have the fungible. You have the sign of Bitcoin, and on the right side, I have something that's non-fungible, the Mona Lisa smile. If I trade only one Bitcoin and you trade one Bitcoin, at the end of the day, we both have one Bitcoin. They have the same value. Do you understand? But if I have Mona Lisa smile, for me, one Bitcoin is one Bitcoin, and for you, one Bitcoin is still one Bitcoin, and that's fungible. In non-fungible, Mona Lisa smile for me can be valued at $1 million, and for you, it can be $60,000 million. That's something that doesn't have a unique value for everyone, okay? We have our emotions, we have our own way of seeing that asset. That's the difference. At a high level, I'm going to teach you how the NFTs work. NFTs are part of the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is simply a cryptocurrency like others that we know, Dogecoin and Bitcoin and more. But what happens is that the Ethereum blockchain also has the support to NFTs, which are these assets that have extra information. I want you to remember this. NFTs are unique cryptographic tokens living on the blockchain and can't be replicated. They represent real-world assets. They can be real estates, musics, images, gifts, movies, and more. NFTs allow real-world assets to be tokenized efficiently with reduced fraud probability. Without further ado, let's go and see how to make that NFT. I'm here inside of the OpenSea. OpenSea is the largest NFTs market that currently exists in the world. Since NFTs can be many things or many assets, I'm not going to be teaching you how to draw your image, how to make your song, how to make your video, how to make your digital art. No. What I have to tell you is that take a time, think about an idea, think about a concept that you want to bring inside of that idea, think about something that's going to be unique on the market, and make a collection of that, then sell. If you want to create images, think about what you want to bring inside of the concept of your images, what you want to show to your users, what is unique in your images. Make NFTs that are going to sell. That's it. After you have your images, your songs, your audios, or your art, or your assets, come here to the OpenSea. Open OpenSea, and here you're going to find the header of your website, OpenSea. Here you can explore, create, learn more about OpenSea. You can see the notable drops. Here we have these different NFTs. We have the top collections over last 7 days. We have here Azuki, Abe Prime, CryptoPunks and Bored APH Club are so popular in these days. They have huge volume of traded Ethereums inside of this marketplace. You have to see the rankings if you want. You can even come here just to inspire yourself and create your NFT. Okay, How our idea is to sell our NFT after we create our NFT. We have to come here into our profile. Simply come here to profile. When you come to profile, you will have to connect your OpenSea with your MetaMask, Coinbase, Wallet Connect, Fortmatic, or any other wallet. How that's what we have to do, we're going to click on a wallet that we have. If we don't have, we have to create a new wallet. It's more used the MetaMask, but if you want to use any other wallet here, feel free. And as you can see here in my browser, I'm using Microsoft Edge. I already have MetaMask installed, but don't panic if you don't have, because if you are using it for your first time, the orientations are going to come naturally. Click here on MetaMask and let's see what is going to happen. I've already clicked and I'm waiting. Okay, in my case, how I already have installed the extension of MetaMask, it already pops up here for me and asks me for my password. If you don't have it, you're going to see the instructions to install the extension. Please follow that instruction and create an account inside of the MetaMask. I'm going to insert my password here and you are going to see what is going to happen next. So I'm going to unlock it. Let's wait. It's in Portuguese, but the layout's going to be the same, so you have to follow. Protect your funds. So I'm going to say God. Okay, this is my NFT account. Art hand. Okay, here you can see the bunch of NFTs that I've already created. What you have to do, come here to create right now after you have connected your MetaMask account with your OpenSea. It's still processing, so let's wait. Let's simply sign and okay, create new item. Here is where you are going to upload your image, video, audio, or 3D model. Then you are going to come here into the name. You are going to give the name of your NFT. Here you are going to give an external link and you can see the description of what we have here. OpenSea will include a link to this URL on the items detail page so that users can click to learn more about it. You are welcome to link your own web page with more details. You are going to provide description to your NFT and you're going to see in what collection it is. For example, I have 3 collections: contemporary artwork, French style, and simple goddess model cat. If you don't have, you are going to create what? The collection, simply like that. And here you are going to change it to polygon, because I want you to create your first NFT without having to pay the fee to publish here inside of the marketplace. After you fill all these fields, you simply have to click here on create. Okay, after you create your NFT, that's not going to be enough. You will have to sell your NFT. I'm actually going to fill these fields and I'm going to continue with you. So let me pause the video now and I'm going to continue. I have already uploaded the image. I gave the name Rocket World. I didn't give the external link and I gave a description. Here inside of collection, you may not have one. That's why I want to show you how to create a collection. Come here to the profile of your account and here you can see my collections. You can simply click here. I'm going to open on a new tab and here I'm going to see the collections that I already have and I can create a new collection. Simply click here on create a collection. It's still processing, so let's wait. I'm just going to click a dummy collection just to show you how you can do the logo image of your collection. Remember, this is going to represent the collection logo. So I'm going to say this one is the logo that I want to use in my collection. I want to put a feature image. This image will be used for featuring your collection on the homepage, category pages, or promotional areas of OpenSea. Yes. And they recommended the resolution is 600 by 400. Here you can insert that featured image. You can put the banner image. I'm not going to put this because here you see what the OpenSea is asking you to fill with. I've already filled it in other collections. So here I'm going to put the name. I'm going to say dummy. Yes, this is the name of the collection. I'm going to enter the description of what this collection is all about, and I'm going to insert only one category: art, collectible, music, photographs, sporting, trading cards, utility, and more. I'm going to say this is simply what collectibles. Okay, you can link your website, your Discord server, your Instagram, your Medium page, or your Telegram. Here you simply click on the polygon, and you can even use a theme that's going to be used to display your content, and simply click here on create. That's basically what you have to do. Let's wait, and here you can see the message saying that we have created. Volume traded is 0, and that's correct because we haven't traded nothing of Ethereum's right here in our NFTs. Let's come here and collection. Okay, we don't have the collection here, so let's refresh this page and we should find. So I have to insert again the asset right here. Is this one? The name I'm going to say rocket. The description I'm going to say a tiny small rocket. Okay, that travels to the infinity. I'm not going to complete with that. Click here on collection dummy, and I'm going to click here on the polygon, select the number of copies that can be minted. You don't have gas cost, so you're going to select the amount of copies that you want to be minted. So we are ready to create, and let's wait. It's still creating for us. That's it. We have successfully created our NFT. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to sell it. Click here, and when you sell, you have to specify the amount of Ethereums that you want. I can say that I want 1 Ethereum for this asset, and 1 Ethereum currently is this price in dollars. It's a huge number. The duration of my sale is 1 month, or I can even specify the date here. And simply I have to complete listing. You're going to say okay, here let's sign, and this will pop up for you. MetaMask is still loading, and this OpenSea is also still loading while waiting for the MetaMask response. So let's wait. Okay, here you have to sign, and your NFC is listed. That's it. Now you can share inside of your Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, or copy your link. You have successfully made your NFT, created your NFT here in the largest NFT marketplace, and you already are selling your NFT. Promote it, and that's all. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us, and make sure that you are doing this also. Thank you. Click the bell icon.